guys, it is now Christmas Eve. I mean, that's gone really quick. I had hoped to do this in 2 parts, but I was so, what's the word, persistent on getting parts 20 up to 20 finished of my blanket before I came back to you. So I have now finished 20. We can see 19 is the green. This is the pear drops, and then I've gone all the way around in the green with a slip stitch, and then we have done a treble border into that back of that slip stitch. So when we build up, I'm hoping it will come over and we'll attach it together, so we hide all of these strings in the middle. So it's going to be really interesting to see how that works, and I've actually really enjoyed this. There's so many different types of patterns in here, and it's quite large. It is more of a child size blanket, but there's no reason why you can't double the pattern and make it a bit bigger, and then perhaps make it out of stash yarn. So yeah, really impressed with the blanket. So let's get days 21 to 24 open, and I have a mystery bundle to open as well, which I ordered back in October. I actually ordered 2. They are grab bags from Made by Penguins. So I have no idea what's in them because they are a complete mystery to us. I gave one to my friend to open today, Emma, and she's already opened hers and it looks amazing. So I'm really excited to see what is in my one. So let's get these open first and then I'll show you the mystery bundle, shall we? Right, so Siobhans Crafts. There's 4 little parcels left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put them in order because that will be easier. Okay, so day 21. Oh, it's pink. Have a bit of pink. Ooh. So this is Spinel. Now Spinel is also one of those gemstones that can come in a lot of different colours. That is a really, really lovely rich pink. Yummy. So where's my pen gone? There it is. So I started writing the days on the back of all of the tags because I was getting them confused into what order they were in. So 21 on the back of that one. 21. Let's open 21. Now, if you've seen part 3, you'll know that I had to swap 2 yarns over. 12 and 21 were in the wrong boxes, so this should be limoncello. And originally it had the icing sugar in it, and I've just ripped the box completely. So there is the limoncello. There we go, for 21. And then let's open 22. So 22 is a purple box. It's another pinky one. And this one is Rhodocrosite. So it's slightly lighter, slightly different tones of pink in there. Some really nice vibrant pinks in there though. So that is Rhodocrosite. Let's put 22 on the back. There we go. It also helps me when I'm putting them together for a photo as well, so they go in the right order. So where is 22? There's 22. So this should be creamy coffee. Creamy coffee, which is the light biscuity brown colour. So that's 22. 23. Again, it's pink, but these are getting lighter. So, put that back. Rose Quartz. That is really nice actually for Rose Quartz. Rose Quartz is a really pale pink colour. Sometimes you can get it slightly darker or more saturated in colour, but a lot of times it's very, very pale. And it's known as the Stone of Love. So that's 23. I don't know why I keep putting the lid on because We're going to use it again. Where's 23? 23. Ooh. So this should be Earl Grey. Yep. We have Earl Grey. Back in it and ripped the box again. 23. So I think the last one is actually going to be ice and sugar again, which is going to be a nice white edge to our border. So last one then for Siobhans Crafts. I'm out of breath now for some reason. Oh, there's a little bag in this one as well. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's very subtle. Opal. Opal reflects every colour there is. That's really nice. And then you get Opalite. So this stone is Opalite, which is a glass version of Opal. Opal's quite expensive. But you can see it has all the colours. Kind of gives like an iridescent shimmer, which is really pretty. Again, on the earring finding. So that is day 24. That is quite a nice muted Christmas colourway actually, Opal. Going to be interested to see how these all work up when I finally get to work in this pattern. So that is days 1, 2, 21, 22, 23 and 24. That's a really nice fade in itself as well, isn't it? So going to get some pictures taken of those, and let's complete our Crochet Society calendar without knocking everything off. And as I said before, those ice and sugar. So I have 4 rounds of the border left to do. Can I get it done today? We shall see. In the meantime, I'm wearing a Christmassy shirt. We have gingerbread men, we have gingerbread houses, we have some candy canes, some holly. I love this shirt. It's just really, really nice to put me in the festive mood. So what else do I have to show you? Let's pop Siobhans Crafts to one side. I'm also wearing festive socks. Doesn't happen very often because I don't think I have that many. So I have a Christmas Eve box. I actually bought this a couple of years ago. I think it might have even been last year. And normally I would just put a film in there and some sweets for us to have as a movie night on Christmas Eve. But this time I have put in there my grab bag for today to open. So it's still in the pink parcel wrapping that it came in. So let's get it open. So it says grab bags are discontinued bags, basic bags, which contain 2 100 grams skeins of yarn. They include a pattern and up to 3 stitch markers. Grab bags are discounted lucky or bonus bags contain one of the following. So they could also contain a stitch marker set, a crochet hook, 20 grams of yarn or 50 grams of yarn. Yeah. So, oh, there's the pattern. What pattern have we got? I have got Sydney the Snake. Sydney the Snake. So this is a Made by Penguins pattern. There's also the ball pattern on the other side. That's cool. So, I think these are all made by Lax and Stitches. I can't remember. I'll have to make that one up later. We have Blue Dragon. Oh, that is amazing. I think I've got something similar to this. This is Ultimate Luxury DK, 100% extra fine merino. 100 grams is 200 meters. You've got loads of different blues in there. And it goes so nicely with the undyed sections as well, and the speckles. Look at the speckles in that. Yum. Put that one in there. Pink one. Flamingo. Oh, that's cool. Flamingo. See, now I wish I'd swapped with my friend because she loves flamingos. But that's really nice pinks. So I've got 2 big skeins of yarn, 100 gram skeins of yarn, which are both very similar but different colours. So I've got pinks and blues, and they both have undyed sections, so they're going to be really nice to work up. What else do we have in here? Oh, we have, oh, there's a couple of stitch markers in here. Let's have a look at those. And I also have a mini. I think this is 20 grams. That's really nice. It's like different tones of blue and purple. It's coming up quite grey on the screen though. It does actually go nicely with the blue dragon. So let's have a look at the charms. Oh, it's free. So this one's a little doggy. Little silver doggy. I'm not sure if this will focus, but I will take some photos for you. We have really cute little star. Little twinkly star. And some glasses. Little set of glasses. So that is in my grab bag. Well, let's finish off 2020 in style, shall we? Let's see this finished blanket. So the last few rounds on it were the green and yellow for the back border, and then we had the creamy coffee and Earl Grey for the front border, and then this really nice icing sugar goes all the way around. So it's not going to fit in camera though. It's really, really nice. I'm actually really impressed. I've learned so much with it. It's nice and warm and snuggly. It's quite a nice thick blanket, so I'm going to try it. I've got some nice pictures to show you, and yeah, that is it for Advent 2020. I'm going to go and get nice and snuggly under my new blanket. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, whenever you decide to actually celebrate them with UK lockdown. So yeah, I'll see you again in 2021. Bye.